What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Jasmine.
I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. You went from the start, there was no limit to you. And I'm catching feelings, baby.
Alright, you guys, welcome back. It has been a while. I am back, y'all. I am back. But I just wanted to give y'all a special video today. Today, I'll be doing some tooth gems. I think I got this from, I either got it from Aliexpress or Shein. I don't remember. It's been a minute. I have been holding this in my arsenal for a minute, so it's time to go ahead and pop it out. First, brush my teeth. So give me one. All right, clean. So now I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Take the plastic off. So here we go. It comes with some cotton rolls, some gem pickers, a UV light, gem set, and the UV bonding resin. Does it come with instructions? It does not. But it does say that it lasts up to 3 weeks.
Cap.
And you can eat, brush your teeth, do all of that good stuff. So here's the cotton rounds, the bonding, the gem picker, even though it just looks like a white crayon pencil, the UV light, and the gems. All right, so I'm gonna get started with drying my teeth. So I've seen a few designs. I think I want to do like a heart, like on this tooth, one of these. So we're gonna try it. So might as well just go ahead and open it. Take this out, make sure this still works. Still works. So I guess I'll have to put it like right here so I don't get any saliva on the tooth.
Oh no.
Oh, it's kind of crazy. I don't think that's gonna work. I'm not doing it. Take the bonding, make sure this is still good. It's pretty thick, y'all. Kind of scared. So I'm gonna take a little bit of the bonding and put it on my tooth. I'm gonna do this tooth. Oh, no, I want to do a grill at the bottom. I don't know, we're gonna start small first. We're gonna start small. All right, got the bonding on there. Open the gems. Okay, got that open. And take the gem picker and put it on there. All right, we got one on. I want to see what else we can do. They're cute, y'all. I just don't know how many I fit on here. And now I'm just stuck smiling because I don't know. All right, it looked like a little flower. So I'm satisfied. So now I'm gonna take my UV light and shine on it. I don't know how long I'm supposed to do this for. They not moving, y'all. They not moving. Hey, your girl got some two gems. It looks cute, y'all. But yeah, y'all go get y'all some, cause they work. I got a good little bit of gems left. So we're gonna try this again one day, another day. But yeah, it is cute. Probably go get some lip gloss. I'll be right back. Got the NYX butter gloss. It's cute, y'all. I like it. It's supposed to be a little flower. But they're on here, y'all. They're on here. So yeah, y'all, go get y'all some. But yeah, y'all, so that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am glad to be back sharing, you know, my little adventures, DIYs with y'all. So yeah, let me know what else y'all think I should try. I'm gonna definitely order some more different, like, order some more gems so that I can try different styles, because I want to try like a butterfly. That would be cute. But yeah, y'all, so thank you guys for watching. I love you all. Make sure you guys stay blessed. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And your girl is out. Peace.